जी आमिर डोगर साहब, आमिर डोगर साहब, उमर अयूब साहब, गौहर साहब, असद कैसर साहब काइंडली जरा तशरीफ लाइए। आमिर डोगर साहब, असद कैसर साहब, उमर अयूब साहब, गौहर साहब काइंडली तशरीफ लाइए। चीफ विप साहब, आमिर डोगर साहब, आमिर डोगर साहब, असद कैसर साहब, उमर अयूब साहब, गौहर साहब, आमिर डोगर साहब, गौहर साहब, गौहर जमान साहब, आमिर डोगर साहब, आमिर डोगर साहब, election of the Prime Minister. For the convenience of the honorable members, I read out the procedure to be followed for the election of the Prime Minister as provided in Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the National Assembly 2007. The election will be by division. Before voting commences, I will direct that the bells be rung for 5 minutes to enable the members not present in the chamber to be present. Immediately after the bells stop ringing, all the entrances to the lobbies shall be locked and assembly staff posted at each entrance shall not allow any entry or exit through those entrances until the voting has been concluded. Before commencement of the poll, I will read out to the assembly the names of the validly nominated candidates who have not withdrawn, in order in which the nomination papers received and proceeded to hold the polls. The members who wish to vote in favor